Okay, January 2nd, 2024. We're back at Southern Fried Rides today. Give y'all a better look at these cars and trucks Bobby's got up here. This little Dodge Dakota Sport convertible. Pretty good, how about you? Yeah, he keeps some very interesting stuff up here. It's nice stuff. The sun's not giving us a good light here. Interior is nice. Look at this Mercury station wagon. This is sharp, isn't it? Automatic. Three rows of seats. Little Studebaker wagon. Put the surfboard up there. Studebaker Lark. My brother had a Lark shortly. It's a oil leaking rascal. It was a four-door, just a plain Lark. Was that his first car or second car? A 58 Ford with a 352 in it. And ended up with that little Corvair. Now look at this little AMC Pacer. That little thing is wide. Now this thing is neat as it can be. Look at it. You'll have to call Bobby and find out about prices. So he's right here on 129 between, well, in Arcade between Athens and Jefferson. Hey, look, that's even got the service manual to it. Chilton Professional Automotive Service Manual 77. $11,500. Oh, he's got prices on them. $11,500. Okay, that Lark 9,800. That Mercury station wagon 16,900. And the Dodge Dakota 8,900. You know, if you like classic cars, you know, what are you going to get nowadays? I think this thing says 410 horsepower. I think one of them had a 289, but I don't know that a 289 is going to give you 410 horsepower. Maybe this was maybe it's been a different car. Holman Moody. This one's 7,900. Bucket seats, fire extinguisher. Four-door Mercury. These old cars ride great. I tell you what, I wish I could find a 67, 68 Electra 225 that was in good shape. 76 for 5,000. Town car. Or Lincoln. Oh, this isn't a town car. This is just a Lincoln two-door hardtop. That's some nice stuff. Lincoln Mark IV. Let's go down here and see what he's got down here. Now, every March, every year, he has a barbecue and burnouts, where they have burnout competition up here. Now, I've got video of one of them. Okay, look at this 51 Ford. Just got it back from the paint shop, he said. That says Southern Fried Rides. If you want to look him up, he's on Facebook. Old Flathead. Okay, well, like I say, he has the barbecue and burnouts March 15th. It's a good time. Last year it was packed. The year before last, it was packed year before last too. But we have food, entertainment, a band, live band, burnout competition. So y'all mark your calendars and come check out his inventory too, March 15th.